Today we are testing some TikTok tech tips with the tech tinker himself, Mr. Yeaster. Are you ready to pour water on a hard drive?
Let's do it.
Here goes nothing. Woo!
Oh my god. It's still working.
It's getting back to work. It's trying.
That just evaporated as soon as it's spinning so fast.
It like sizzles.
Sizzling.
So we're gonna see what happens when you put a marker on a running hard drive. Ooh, that's cool.
Hey, you're just writing some custom data right on the hard drive.
1, 0, 1, 1. Should go without saying, but do not try this at home. Oh! All right, we're just gonna unplug this real quick here. So we were recording that at 10 times slower than regular speed. So this is at 240 frames per second. Oh! Dude. You see the water coming flying toward the lens?
That's so cool. And the thing about this is you can just recover this. You probably sell this hard drive on eBay. Who's gonna know?
Oh my god. That's some villain stuff.
Just kidding, don't do that.
That's full like chaotic evil. So what happens if I try to like open something on a hard drive? How about I open up the OS drive? Oh, there we go. Oh no, it's not working. No, okay, we killed the hard drive. For our next TikTok tech tip, we're gonna be using Flex Seal, the world famous liquid rubber sealant coating.
When I did this in a TikTok a little while ago, I used a different hydrophobic spray as a way to try to waterproof a computer. And today we're trying it with Flex Seal.
Wow, that's really thick.
There we go. I mean, it looks pretty cool.
I don't like how it bubbles after you.
It bubbles a lot. Okay, so.
It's really covering up everything. Oh my goodness. And the reason we have all of the components already plugged in is because this Flex spray is actually going to block all of our connective pads. And so if we try to plug in each of these components after we spray it on, we're not going to be able to get any connectivity.
So it has been 12 hours?
Give or take.
And it is time to see what monstrosity have we wrought. Wow, that's thick.
I mean, it has dried.
It is dry enough. That actually looks, this looks like an art piece.
It
I
does.
think we did good.
I'm gonna like hang this up on my wall
Yes.
afterwards. I think this is gonna work as if it was out of the box.
I think it will probably fire up. The question I have is, will the fan blades spin? And because there's so much rubber on it, it might just overheat. Some weird thing is just gonna overheat.
And our power supply just spun to life.
Oh my God,
Oh,
is it actually
here we go.
working?
Ah, it's spinning! Oh, we got a signal!
It goes up! We did it! Flex Seal for the win!
It's alive!
Not only does it work, it's working fine!
Dude! This might be the only PC that's ever been covered in Flex Seal.
We're
That's
world
a good point.
world first.
This is working with Flex Seal, but the point of Flex Seal is what?
Waterproofing.
To waterproof it.
Do not try this at home. Oh God.
Oh, it feels so wrong.
Look at it beating up.
Oh.
Flex Seal, shout out to Flex Seal.
I mean, this is a running computer that we're spraying with water. If you sprayed water on this without the Flex Seal, it would likely just have stopped working
It was
right
just
away.
immediately. Uh-oh.
What is that?
Oh, USB device not
Uh-oh.
recognized. So
All right.
something on the board just stopped working USB-wise.
Interesting. Because there's nothing USB plugged in
No.
at all. Right?
One of the, maybe the controller, oh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
USB
All right.
devices are popping, but it is still running right now.
Yeah.
I think we should quit while we're ahead and immediately stop before something breaks. Because I feel like this was a wild success. I'm gonna now unplug this gently from the wall. There we go. All right,
Wow.
successfully Flex Sealed and waterproofized a PC.
Dude, that is awesome.
All in a day's work.
Well done.
Next up, we have what should be a simple challenge. Can we find cash hidden inside gaming PCs?
A little while ago, I hid a $100 bill inside of a CPU, which I personally think is the best hiding spot for this. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so it's gonna start with this one. And I'm gonna put this one right here. Oh no, oh yeah, there you go. So this one is gonna go right here.
Oh.
Cool, okay, that one's done. This one, I'm gonna put right here. This feels like a good spot if it will go in, which it will.
30 seconds left.
Uh-oh, that doesn't fit there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that one. Nope, I won't. Okay.
20 seconds left.
There we go. Okay, that's not good. That's not good. Okay, I'm gonna put that one there.
10 seconds.
Okay, 10 seconds, 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 10
5,
seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Time. All right, I did it. Okay, I will be over here. I will have the 60-second counter. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Oh my gosh. 60 seconds is not a lot of time. I'm gonna try to hide the $100 bill first.
40 seconds.
Oh my goodness.
30. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was not a lot of time, so I'm only a little confident.
Play rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, you get to go first.
All right.
1 minute on the clock. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Set, begin.
All right. Oh, panel's open. That's a good sign. Let's see what I can find right now. Oh, here's a $5 bill. Easy peasy.
All right.
Don't see a lot else though. I do see money, but I can't reach it.
Uh-oh, that seems like a problem.
Oh, here's a $1 bill.
Okay.
All right, I like
40
that.
seconds.
All right, I'm actually not seeing the last bill. Oh, where in the world is it? That's a good hiding spot.
You have 24 seconds.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I found it. It's right back here. I can't get that either. Wait, yes I can. Yes!
Oh,
My fingers are too big.
10
Oh.
seconds. 10 seconds. 9,
Uh.
8, 7, 6. No!
I got it all! I got it all!
So my best case scenario is I find all of your money and I tie.
Wow. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so it's 1,
There you go.
2, 3. Okay, I see money right here. And oh, you're right, that's really hard to get. Oh no, it fell. Hang on.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
I've got a $1 bill. I also see a 20 right here. Okay, so I've got 2. Oh, I see a 5 right here. 3. All right, I'm missing the 100. Where's the 100? Behind the motherboard.
30 seconds.
All right, where's the 100? Where's the 100?
It's the one you want.
It's the one I want. My only shot here. Fan.
20
no.
seconds.
It's not in here. It's not in here. No. No.
10
No.
seconds. 5, 4, 3,
is it?
2, 1. Eh.
Where was it? Where was it?
The CPU.
Oh my god, dude! That is. Oh wow.
I like this game. We should play more.
Hey, go back
often.
to TikTok already. So Adam did a video on how to correctly drive, would be the right way to put it. So I trust my skills. Do you trust my skills?
I do. I believe in you.
I get some practice in first. So I'll get it. It's fine. I've just got to warm up. So slightly missed that one. Practice makes perfect.
You're using your pointer finger. No, that's not it. All right, Charles Barkley. Oh, there we go. Oh, see already.
Is that what they call a chip shot? I'm ready for real. I'm ready for real. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Go check out Adam's channel. So with a high quality Mr. Yeaster video playing, next up we're gonna try something that I've seen you do in the past,
Yeah.
which is to remove the RAM while it's running. So I'm just gonna do it.
Go for it.
Whoa! Okay, so,
That's awesome.
is it, I mean, it's,
So yeah, at this point, the computer should be inaccessible.
what happens if I get rid of the other stick of RAM?
Let's find out.
Oh, wow!
Do you think plugging them back in will just fix the problem while it's still running?
Let's find out. Okay, so nothing on that one.
right.
Oh, I might have switched the sticks of RAM though. My video's leaking into the other.
Nope.
Nah.
No bueno.
The experiment here is if you bend a pen on your CPU socket, are you just immediately gonna just have a huge problem, or is there some scenario in which a bent pen will not cause you major problems?
There's a lot of different pins that have a lot of different roles. Hopefully, we can cut one that isn't important.
I think somewhere between most and all of them are important, but maybe there's a couple and we'll get lucky. Dude, this is,
Ooh.
I mean, I can really push this if I want. These
Yeah.
pins are way more durable than I thought. There we go.
Oh.
Oh, that's, okay, so we got, so you know what else though? I didn't think about this. So when you do that, not only does that mess up that pen, it messes all
Right.
the pens around it because,
The connective pads might be touching different pins
like
now
4 or
in that
5
area.
pens.
Yeah.
Oh, so there's no way this is gonna work. There's no way. Well, a lot of this video is not particularly practical, but it's interesting to learn this stuff so that you don't have to do it yourself. Oh,
Oh.
you have a second? Okay.
Oh.
That's a way better sign.
We've got lights over
Yes,
here.
let's go, okay. But can we get a signal?
Well, You win some, you lose some.
Today, we lost the pin lottery. That's okay. We can always play again next time.
So you did a TikTok not too long ago showing how to turn your phone into a gaming setup.
Well, I really just plugged a USB-C adapter into my old Android phone, plugged some more accessories into that, and it really just came to life.
So today, I have a Samsung Galaxy S22. This phone particularly because as much as I love the Z Flip, it is missing a very important feature, Samsung DeX. Fun fact, on iOS, this is not particularly usable. You can kind of get HDMI up if you use an adapter, but no games will support it. It's just not gonna work very well. So with just a mouse and keyboard plugged in, I have a mouse cursor that's available on my Android phone, so I can use it to swipe through, and the keyboard works as well. So if I plug in my monitor,
Oh, and just like that,
There it
it
is.
comes to life.
and so with this, I can do a bunch of stuff, right? So if I want, I can open up an app. You see I can pick up exactly where I left off. Previously, Android apps were kind of resizable, but not really. But because basically every Android app is optimized, or at least most of them are optimized for Chrome OS, you actually can have properly usable apps. And you see it, performance is really not bad at all. So with this, we can turn our phone into a proper gaming PC.
Wait, then why do you have a PC right there?
Where?
The big oh.
I'll immediately say, this is very nice.
That's even like 60 FPS. That's pretty
This is.
smooth.
We've got 60 FPS. Now, we are running at only 1080p, which is one of the limitations of DeX, unless I think you may be able to go higher, I think 1440 or something if you buy one of these Samsung docks, but I'm just using a completely generic dock. The only caveat that you really need to keep in mind with this, some Android apps, and specifically when it comes to games, do not want you to do this. Pretty much entirely because they don't want you to cheat. So certain games, if they detect a mouse and keyboard plugged into your device, will straight up ban you instantly. So do at your own risk. However, assuming that my phone is not 1,000,000 degrees right now, this you could tell me is running on a low-end PC and I would not
Yeah.
question it.
Dude, what?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, Austin.
You're too stupid to breed, you're too stupid to live.
Do you actually know what happens if you try to use this phone while it's also playing DeX?
I have no idea, try it.
It seems like I can.
Oh, lags.
my
It
goodness.
lags a lot is what.
Your keyboard is now typing in here as well.
Okay, so maybe don't touch the phone. You've broken it.
Give me an example again. Oh my God.
It's controlling both
And it's
the
while
screen
you're-
and it's typing. There's a few caveats to this apparently.